You know what they say? April showers bring May flowers. Well, currently I don't see any flowers. Well, except for those. But it is showering like it's still April. But we're in May. But on a completely unrelated note, there's corn. Corn's one of the best vegetables out there, or a grain. It's actually considered both, if you didn't know that. So today we are going to learn how to grill corn on Lion Premium Grills. I'm not gonna do anything super special to it. We are just gonna grill straight up corn. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat your grill. Now I already have mine done at 400 degrees, which is like the perfect temperature to get these done nice and quickly. Now you're gonna wanna put your corn on the grill. What I did is I just went to the store and bought some Glory and sweet corn. It's already been shucked, it's already been done. So, for every 2.5 minutes of wait, we're going to do a slight quarter turn on the corn. So, in total, we're only going to do about 4 turns total. Looks pretty good. Just nice little char marks, that's all we need, just to know that it's cooking nice and well on this lovely grill. The final turn. Let's see how you're doing. Now I know I said we were just gonna do straight up corn, but I'm a little bit better than that. We are going to microwave some butter, some nice melted butter, and then we are going to just, slowly but surely lather it on top of the corn. But we could do that part after we take it off, which is gonna happen right now. They are done. Look, come look. These are looking pretty. Ooh, look at that, jeez. I love me some burnt corn. But you know what I don't love? A burnt house. So let's turn these off. Now the next thing we're gonna wanna do is put butter on the corn. Oh my gosh. I love butter, but this is a little too much. You know what? This is too much work. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, I am not surviving tonight. Besides the use of butter, I am a pretty plain person most of the time, but I can always appreciate a good amount of salt and pepper. Okay, I'm really excited for this, so let's give this a little bite. Dang! Now that is amazing! I made a lot of things for these videos. A lot of videos, yeah. I would say this is probably my favorite thing I made. This, you gotta make corn like this. Just butter, salt, pepper, so easy. I would suggest making this corn. What does it have to do with May? I don't know. But anyways, enough talk. Make some corn on Lion Premium Grills. Thank you.